Welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to allow everyone to comment on your page cover photo on Facebook using the latest update, all from your PC. Whether you're aiming to boost engagement, encourage feedback, or simply make your page more interactive, this quick guide will walk you through each step. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your computer. Don't worry if you're used to the older interface. These new steps are straightforward and only take a minute. Once Facebook loads, direct your attention to the very top of the page and click on your profile photo. This will take you to your personal space, where you can easily access all the pages you manage. Next, navigate to the page where you want to change the comment settings. Scroll or click to enter your page and look for the cover photo right at the top of your page's timeline. Simply click directly on the cover photo. This will expand the photo and bring up a few options you might not have noticed before. Now, under your cover photo, you'll see 3 dots lined up horizontally. Go ahead and click on these dots. This opens a small menu with different settings for your post. In this menu, you'll find an option labeled "Who can comment on your post?" Click on that. Facebook will now show you several options for controlling who can comment. To allow everyone, meaning anyone visiting your page, to comment freely, select the option called Public. Once you've chosen Public, just click Done to save your changes. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you've now opened up your page cover photo to comments from everyone. This can help drive interaction, build community, and let more voices be heard on your page. If you found this guide helpful, consider checking out our other tutorials for more ways to get the most out of Facebook's latest features. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.